Hi, Lisa Toller here for my week 3 video journal for Health and Wellness 200. My part 1 of this was interesting because I'm not very good at tracking my food. Okay. How does my fat and caloric intake compared with the target levels? I only had, actually, I snacked while I was putting this together. So I actually had 1,054 calories today. But when I recorded, it was only 965 calories, and my fat intake was 7 grams, which none of it was very high at all. I was kind of low on everything, but my fat intake after my snack of cheese and grapes it went up a little bit, and I maxed out on it at 24 grams, so it wasn't that bad, but I could probably use some more. What vitamins and minerals fell below that target level? About half of them. So I know I wrote down folate, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, choline, vitamin A, C, D, E, and K, my protein, my fiber, my linoleic acid, and my A-linoleic acid. Calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium, and zinc were all well below the target levels. And I need to fix that apparently. So, how does my protein intake compare with the target level? It tested okay, but I was still not at 100%. The importance of minerals. Consuming minerals will facilitate proper function of the body, or it's inorganic material that provides needed components for a healthy body. The importance in consuming vitamins, which are organic compounds that the body breaks down, but it can't produce it by itself. They serve as catalysts, enabling energy nutrients to be digested, and some interact with the minerals, facilitating absorption of them. The importance of consuming carbohydrates, which are broken down into glucose by the liver and used as energy. The scary part about carbohydrates is excess glucose is stored as fat, but that's where we get our energy. So, just in moderation. The importance of water. Well, water facilitates all the main functions of the body. It's a medium for chemical reactions during digestion, carries oxygen to blood cells, oxygen and nutrients to blood cells, regulates temperature, removes toxins and wastes from the body with sweat and urine, assists in respiration by keeping the lungs moist and keeping everything moving. Water is pretty essential since about 75% of our body, 90% of our body is made of it. The importance in consuming protein, which contain the basic materials to help form muscle, bone, cartilage, skin, antibodies, some hormones, and all enzymes. Basically, our bodies are made of water and protein, so they contain amino acids, which are the building blocks of the proteins are the amino acids. The importance of consuming fiber is fiber tends to resist digestion which facilitates waste removal in the body. So the soluble fiber removes cholesterol, and the insoluble fiber helps move food through the digestive system and out. The importance of consuming fat helps synthesize and repair cell transport and absorb vitamins, and it also provides insulation and energy. So that was my big educational thing. So part 2 of my log is I was surprised to learn that I did not reach my caloric intake goal at all. It was far from it. I was really surprised by that. I thought that maybe I would at least reach it. But apparently my snacks are a little too healthy, maybe. I don't know. So, what effects does my diet have on my health and wellness? My diet does not give me enough energy to last throughout the day, I don't believe. I scored very low in the carbohydrates and grains. I recorded 3 days worth of eating this week, including today, and I did not have enough carbohydrates. My grains were very low all 3 days. I was feeling tired today, but there's a lot that goes into that. But I feel like my lack of calories and insufficient vitamins are making it difficult for my body to not go into starvation mode. So I'm feeling like I'm gaining weight, maybe. I don't know. Just looks funny. But does my dietary intake protect you or increase your health risks? Well, if I'm going to be gaining weight, it's probably not protecting me. But I feel like my high energy day and low caloric intake are not compatible with one another. I need to pay more attention to healthy snacking. So, being a hairstylist, that's pretty much all I get to do is snack, and I have to pay more attention to that. I am good with not having too much sugar or sodium, and the fat intake was not bad either, so I'm probably not at risk for anything to do with that stuff, but I don't know, because my immune system seems fine. So, explain 2 ways you could improve your diet. Eating a well-rounded dinner instead of snacking maybe would be a pretty good start. Well, as long as the dinner was early enough, because I get sleepy early because I get up early. I get enough fruits and vegetables. Well, I don't really get enough vegetables, but my grains, my dairy, and my vegetables are lacking, so I can pick those up a little bit in some dinner maybe. And eating more vegetables and grains would help me to maintain my energy level through the day, so I could, my 2 things would be, I guess, adding dinner and getting more well-rounded snacks throughout the day.